red color. Chick. Hello, I have a rainbow chick. Look, there is so many chicks in the ground, and there is a wooden house. Come on, let's open the wooden house. Wow, there is a rainbow chick in the house. Wow, so many rainbow chicks. Yellow color. Wow, PacMan Frog. Hello, I have a PacMan Frog. Wow, the color is yellow. Come on, let's feed the PacMan Frog in a prison. Purple color. Wow, baby iguana. Hello, I have a baby red Iguana. Wow, she looks like a Godzilla. Come on, let's put the iguana in a house.
Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Flies in the buttermilk shoe, fly shoe. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Cats in the cream jar, ooh, ooh, ooh. Skip to my loo, my darling. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Loo, loo, skip to my loo. Skip to my loo, my darling.
Blue color. rainbow finch. Hello, I have a rainbow finch. Look, I have a pink and green color. Come on, let's put the finch in a cage.
Tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the bird looked at the clock. The clock struck two, away she flew. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock. Hickory dickory dock, the dog barked at the clock. The clock struck three, fiddly-dee. Hickory dickory dock, tick tock, tick tock.
Orange color. Wow, hedgehog. Hello, I have a hedgehog. Wow, the hedgehog is very shy animals. Come on, let's put the hedgehog in the grass. Green color. Spider. Hello, I have a spider. Look, he has 8 orange legs. Wow! Come on, let's put the spider in a ground.